Do you feel like you are learning English, but you still cannot speak well? Do you study every day, but you forget everything quickly? Do you understand English sometimes, but you cannot answer when speaking? You are not alone. Many people around the world feel exactly the same way. They spend months or even years trying to learn English. But something is wrong. It is not because you are not smart. It is not because English is too hard. It is because you are making mistakes. Small mistakes that slow your progress. Today, we will fix that. In this video, you will learn the most common mistakes learners make, and more importantly, you will learn how to fix them. Simple, clear, and easy. No difficult grammar. No complicated methods. Just real English for real life. If you follow these steps, you will feel more confident. You will speak more naturally, and you will improve faster. So take a deep breath. Relax your mind, and let's start learning slow English the right way today. Stay until the end because mistake number 1 is the most important. Hello and welcome back to practice today. Take a deep breath and relax your mind. Today we talk about learning English fast, but in a smart and simple way. Many learners want fast results. They want to speak quickly. They study hard every day, but they still feel slow. They feel frustrated and confused. They think something is wrong. The truth is very simple. It is not about working harder. It is about working smarter and understanding your brain. Your brain learns through repetition, not through pressure and stress. Many learners push too hard. They try to learn too much. They study many hours every day, but they feel tired quickly. This is not effective learning. Your brain needs rest and repetition. Learning fast does not mean rushing. It means building strong habits. The first principle is consistency. Practice every single day. Even 10 minutes is enough. Small time still gives results. Your brain loves repetition. It remembers what repeats often. If you practice daily, your brain adapts faster. The second principle is simplicity. Keep your learning very simple. Many learners use complex methods. This creates confusion and stress. Simple sentences are powerful. They help your brain understand. Use short, clear English daily. Do not make long sentences. Your brain learns patterns, not complicated grammar rules. The third principle is speaking. Speaking is the fastest way. Many learners only read and listen. They avoid speaking practice. But speaking activates your brain. It builds strong connections. When you speak out loud, your brain works harder. This creates faster learning and stronger memory. Speak every day without fear, even if you make mistakes. Mistakes are very important. They help your brain adjust. Your brain learns from errors, not from perfect sentences. The fourth principle is emotional learning. Your brain remembers feelings. If learning feels stressful, your brain resists learning. If learning feels easy, your brain accepts information. Make your learning comfortable. Do not create pressure. Use topics you enjoy. This builds positive emotion. Positive emotion helps memory. You remember more easily. The fifth principle is active learning. Do not just watch and listen. Use what you learn. Speak and repeat daily. Your brain learns by doing, not by passive watching. Say sentences out loud. Use your voice every day. This activates your memory and improves faster. The sixth principle is focus. Do not learn too many things. Many learners try everything. They use many apps and methods. This creates mental overload. Your brain becomes confused. Focus on one simple system. Repeat it every day. Simple system builds strong habit. Habit creates fast progress. The seventh principle is thinking. Think in English slowly. Do not translate every word. This slows your brain. Start with simple thoughts. Use short daily sentences. Say, I am walking now. Or say, I feel tired. Your brain learns faster this way. It builds direct connection. The eighth principle is environment. Your environment affects learning. If you use English daily, your brain adapts faster. Listen to English often. Speak when you can. Use English in your life, not only in study time. This creates immersion, even when you are alone. The ninth principle is patience. Fast learning still needs time. Many learners give up early. They feel no progress. But progress is happening inside. You just cannot see it. Your brain is building connections. Every time you practice, trust the process always. Stay consistent and calm. The 10th principle is belief. Your mindset is very important. If you believe you cannot learn, your brain blocks progress. If you believe you can improve, your brain works better. Stay positive and confident, even when it feels hard. Learning is not about talent. It is about daily action. Now let us review everything. Learning fast is simple. Practice every single day, even for short time. Keep your learning simple. Use short, clear sentences. Speak out loud daily. Do not stay silent. Repeat again and again. Build strong memory. Use English in your life, not only in study. Think in English slowly. Do not translate everything. Focus on one method. Stay consistent every day. Enjoy your learning process. Do not create stress. Stay patient and positive. Trust your progress. If you follow these principles, you will learn faster, You will feel more confident and speak more naturally. Now take a deep breath. Relax your body. Speak again and follow me. Slow and clear together. Practice this every day, and you will improve fast.